Yes, yes, you can remove lipstick from your clothes. Let me tell you how. To remove a lipstick stain, all you need is some paper towels and rubbing alcohol. The stain is going to be treated from the back side. Fold your clothes so that the back of the lipstick stain is facing towards you, and place paper towels under it to absorb the stain. Very carefully start treating the stain with rubbing alcohol and dab it with a paper towel. The trick is to let the rubbing alcohol drop onto the lipstick stain, and do not rub it. You're just going to transfer that stain to other areas of your fabric and it's going to spread. If you have an old eyedropper, that would work so well for this. Continue applying the rubbing alcohol until the stain is completely removed. Please make sure to share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for daily DIY organization and cleaning videos. And please give this video a thumbs up to show me that you liked it. Thank you, and I will see you next time.